Hi everybody, in this video we'll discuss strategies on how to reduce stress during exams. I'll break this video into 3 parts. First, we'll discuss how to reduce stress 15 to 30 minutes before the exam. And next, we'll discuss how we can reduce stress during the exam itself. And lastly, we will discuss strategies on how to make you more relaxed after the exam. So first, 15 to 30 minutes before the exam, I would suggest that you stop your revision. The reason why I say this is because during the exam, when you're solving the questions, your brain actually uses what I call brain resources. And when you are revising, you're also using the same brain resource. So you don't want to make your brain tired just before the exam itself. Rather, please stop the revision so that your brain can rest and you can conserve your precious brain resource for the actual exam itself. Next, I would also suggest that you stop discussing with your classmates 15 to 30 minutes before the exam. Okay. So this is actually related to the previous point, because when you are discussing with your friends, you're sort of like doing revision as well and you're consuming precious brain resource. So I would suggest you stop doing that so that you can conserve your precious brain resource for the actual exam. And also sometimes during the discussion, you may find out that you might have forgotten certain concepts, and this might make you panic, and we don't want that to happen during the exam. We want you to be as relaxed as possible just before the exam. So rather, what we should do instead is just to focus on neutral or relaxing thoughts 15 to 30 minutes before the exam. Relaxing thoughts would be things like maybe what you're going to eat for dinner that day, or if it's your last paper, okay, what you're going to do after your last exam paper. Next, during the exam, I would suggest that you don't look around and check what your peers or classmates are doing. Because maybe sometimes you might notice one classmate of yours is like writing very quickly while you're stuck at a particular question. Then this might make you think that, hey, that classmate actually knows what he or she is doing while I'm stuck on this particular question, and this might make you panic, and you don't want that to happen. Rather, just focus on doing your questions. And of course, I would suggest please do the easier questions first, because by doing so, you would have secured the marks for the easier questions, and this will build up your confidence, and this will actually make you less nervous. And also, if possible, please also consider taking a break by going to the washroom, especially when you are feeling very nervous or you have finished doing all the easier questions. So the reason why I say this is because when we go to the restroom, our body will actually be very relaxed. And when you are relaxed, you tend to feel less nervous. And at the same time, when you are feeling more relaxed, your brain tends to be more creative. So there's a higher chance that you can solve the more difficult questions during the exams. Next, after the exams, I would suggest avoid discussing about the exam itself unless it is the very last paper. So the reason why I say this is because maybe sometimes when you are discussing with your classmates, you found out that your answers are a little bit different from your classmates, and you think that your answers are wrong. Okay? So this might make you feel nervous and mentally and emotionally affected. So this might affect your mood to revise for the next exam or the next exam paper itself. So please avoid doing this. Okay, rather, if you have no more exam for that day, just head home and take a break or take a nap. Okay, the reason is because during the exam, you actually use a lot of brain resource, and after the exam, generally, I would think that your brain will be a little bit tired. So you need to like rest and recharge your brain before you revise for the next paper. Okay, so I hope all these tips are useful for you. Do try it out. And if you find this video helpful, do consider liking this video, and do consider sharing this video to someone who might find it useful. Okay, I also have another YouTube channel called Explore with Dennis. Do consider checking it out. I will leave the links in the description below and also at the end of the video. Last but not least, all the best for your exam and see you in the next video.